everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. What's one of the most annoying things as a mom to wash? Bottles. But I found this full circle little sipper straw and bottle detailing brush set, and it has helped so much with the frustration of getting all the nooks and crannies of the bottles clean. This detail nib is probably my favorite part because I've never seen anything like this before, and it's perfect for getting all the caked on food and stuff out of the crevices on the bottles, so I don't have to use and break my nails while I'm trying to clean them. I also really like that they're all attached on this ring, so you're not gonna misplace them like I have with many of my straw and bottle brushes before. Also, if you have a hook under your sink, which a lot of people do, it's great for hanging and letting them dry when you put them away. I love how much less frustrating this makes bottle cleaning, and that I can also keep them all together in one place because they're attached together. But that's just my point of view.